National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Volusia County in central Iowa, southeastern Hardin County in central Iowa, Marshall County in central Iowa, southern Black Hawk County, northeastern Marion County, Tama County in central Iowa, northern Mahaska County, southern Grundy County in central Iowa, eastern Jasper County in central Iowa, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshalltown Municipal Airport to 5 miles east of Gilmanton near Sully, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Newton, Grinnell, Toledo, Montezuma, Tama, LaPorte City, Traer, Rhinebeck, Brooklyn, Dysart, Conrad, Iowa Speedway, Meskwaki Casino, Rock Creek Lake, Glanbrook, LeGrand, Victor, Washburn, and Sully. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 between mile markers 166 and 204. Interstate 380 between mile markers 56 and 62. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing sporadic wind damage across eastern Iowa. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for central and south central Iowa.